Universe. What is the universe? Every person, planet, star, and galaxy is a part of the universe, and even every empty space. The universe is the biggest thing that we have a word for. How big is the universe? The universe is too big to measure kilometers. Even if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take at least 15 billion years to cross it, as far as we know. What is outside the universe? It's impossible to say. Scientists are still trying to guess by using clues left behind from the birth of our universe. They are pretty sure that there would be no time, distance, or things there. Where are we in the universe? People once thought Earth was at the center of the universe. Now, we know that Earth is one of many planets moving through space. It is hard to tell where we are because we can't see the universe's edges. Is it true there are more stars than people? Yes. As a rough guess, scientists think there are about 1.8 million stars for every human being alive in the world today. When did the universe begin? Scientists have argued about for centuries. At the moment, most people agree that universe began between 12 and 15 billion years ago. It all started with a mind-boggling explosion called the Big Bang. How hot is the Big Bang? The Big Bang was super hot. Scientists don't even bother writing out all the zeros in its temperature. They write 10C, meaning 10 with 27 zeros after it. What was the Big Bang? It was a huge explosion that created all the mass and energy in our universe in less than a second. The effects of the blast are so strong that the universe is still expanding. Is it true you could see the Big Bang through a telescope? Nearly. Our telescopes aren't powerful enough yet, but we can already see light from the other side of the universe that began its journey after the Big Bang. What if the Big Bang happened again? It couldn't happen again in our universe, but some people think it may be happening millions of times, making millions of different universes. Only a few would last as long as ours. Most would pop like soap bubbles. Will the universe ever end? Some cosmologists, people who study the universe, believe that the universe will eventually stop expanding outwards. They think it will shrink back to nothing in an event called the Big Crunch. Is it true the universe might just fizzle out? Yes, if the universe keeps spreading out forever, it will get quite boring. After the stars have burnt out, there will be just lumps of rock and dust floating around doing nothing. Why would it crunch? The universe is still blowing up, but there are lots of heavy things in it. Just like a toy balloon which is run off puff, gravity might pull the universe back to where and how it started. Will the universe stop expanding? The universe might go on forever. Some cosmologists think that the universe will never stop expanding. They don't think gravity will ever be able to stop it, so it will just get bigger and bigger. Will I see the Big Crunch? Not unless you live forever. Even if the universe does stop expanding, it will take about another 15 billion years to collapse in on itself in a Big Crunch. What are star nurseries? New stars are born in star nurseries, huge clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae or nebula if you're just talking about one. Nebulae are some of the most beautiful sights that powerful telescopes have ever revealed. How are stars born? The gases in the nebula gradually gather together into spinning balls. They spin more and more quickly until they get amazingly hot and a big blast called a nuclear reaction begins. When this happens, a baby star begins to glow. What are stars made of? Stars are mostly made of two gases, hydrogen and helium. Helium is the gas used to fill party balloons. There are lots of layers inside a star, with gases moving around in each one. Is it true? You are made of stardust. Yes, everything in space, including you, is made out of elements such as carbon and silicon. All of these were cooked up in stars, which formed from the first matter in the universe. Which stars live together? Our star, the Sun, is all alone, but some stars, called binary stars, are in pairs. They just seem to spin around each other. Very close pairs do one turn of this dance in just hours. How long do stars shine for? It depends. Very hot, bright stars burn up all their energy in a few million years. A star like our Sun, which is only medium hot, can shine for billions of years.